Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we are going to be doing close-up swatches of the Pat McGrath and Bridgerton palette. So it's the Mothership Diamond of the First Water palette. Now Naomi bought me this for my birthday, and when I got it I hadn't watched one episode of Bridgerton. I know, right? So it wasn't the actual show that made me want the palette, it was probably the fact it was Pat McGrath Labs, and I'm really getting into her formula of eyeshadows. But I went and watched the full season of Bridgerton and I love it, guys. It's so steamy. I mean, yeah, if you've not watched Bridgerton, just go ahead and watch it. So the palette is centered around Diamond of the First Water, which is the first episode. So yeah, I wanted to watch it for that reason, so I just knew a little bit more about it when we discussed the palette. And then Art of the Swoon is another episode. I don't know, I think that's maybe third or fourth episode. And then we've got some phrases here as well, which are the other eyeshadows, which I'll talk about more in detail when I actually do a look with the palette, I think. But this is what it looks like. Now, I was going to save this palette and do swatches within the video, which I probably still will do, but I'm curious now, as I've had it since it came a few days after my birthday. Now we're in March, and the only shade I've swatched is this one here. So I want to swatch it with you guys, and we're going to do kind of a watch before you buy, close up, first impressions, swatches of the palette. Now, these two shades have got bees on them. They're absolutely beautiful. I don't know that they're beautiful, but the bees on the eyeshadows are beautiful. It's quite dark for me. It's quite red toned. This is the eyeshadow that made me want it, if I'm being completely honest. And then you get another shimmer down here. And then this one's a shimmer as well. And then I think these two are satins, and that one's a matte. So yeah, we're gonna do the swatches now. Right, so this imprint here, I presume, is it a Lady Whistledown. Now, if you've not seen the series, let's see how many episodes. I think there's only 8 episodes, but I think they're like an hour long, so obviously it's 8 hours of your life. Yeah, 8 episodes. And there's only one season up so far, but the new season starts March 26th, I think, no, March 25th, and I'll be all over that as soon as it comes out. So we've got this shade here, first of all, so we're working from left to right. So that shade is, I don't even know how to pronounce it, guys. I'm gonna just leave it somewhere around here. But yeah, don't know how to pronounce it, so what's the point in pronouncing it? It's a really nice inner corner highlight, that. Very golden. It's like a peach golden inner corner highlight. Look at that. Right, the next one. So that's the one with the imprint of the bee. I'm going to totally ruin these now. So sad. Art of the Swoon. Oh, it's got like sparkles in it. I'm not completely ruining it. Probably take a few uses. And it's not as dark as I thought. It's not too dark, that, is it? For me. And then we have Regency Blue, which is one of her special shades. What we all buy her palettes for. So nice, this. Bit crumbly, but so nice. And it's quite sheer, so it's more of a topper. I'm going to put a couple of, I'm going to build it up. Oh, so pretty. Right, and then we've got Plum Regalia, which is this one down here. I hate it when companies put imprints on, because you're just going to ruin it after a few uses. That's pretty as well. Those shades, Like that, it'd be good all over the lid and into the crease, and then that over the top. That would be so good. Then we've got Duchess Divinity, which is the shimmer down here. Oh, that's smooth. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm going to do one more swatch. It doesn't need it, but I want to show you. And that would look so good together. And then we've just got one more. Then we've just got one more to swatch, which is Love Match. Which is what they talk about in Bridgerton all the time. Finding the perfect love match. And that's what the two main characters, Daphne and Simon, are. So that's all the shades there. Let me turn the light down just so you can see it a bit more. Guys, look at it. Seriously, it is so pretty. And then that's what the palette looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? The packaging sells it for me though. I mean, as soon as I saw that packaging, I'm like, I have never watched Bridgerton before, but I need it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, we're going to be using it really soon. I want to do first impressions, get ready with me with all my new makeup, and I think I'm going to be pulling this out as an eyeshadow palette. I've got quite a few eyeshadow palettes, especially for my birthday, but I want to use this one ahead of the other ones that I've got. So we'll probably do an entire look with all of the shades in the palette. I saw, what's she called? She's on Instagram, and I do also follow her YouTube channel. Let's see. And I always never get a name right, and it's such a simple name to know. It's because I'm following so many people, I think. I'll have a look on her Instagram. Emily's Makeup Bag. And I think she's called the same on... And I think she's called the same on YouTube. So there's a... Yeah, it was this one. So it's Emily's Makeup Bag. She's on Instagram as Emily's Makeup Bag, and I think it's the same on YouTube as well. She created this look here. Let's turn it down. So she created that look there, and I want to recreate it. It's such a beautiful look. So yeah, we're going to try and recreate that. We all know that I like recreating looks on this channel. I've done quite a few that Natasha Denona created with the Trio Chrome palette, and I really enjoyed doing that, so I want to try and do that look as well. I think it's up on YouTube, so I'll just see what she did to get that look, but it looks fairly straightforward. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. Now I've done the swatches, it's just absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Naomi, for buying me this palette again. I really do love it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, this is the palette. They're the swatches, and this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.